Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. And you can see that after the fake out, the price line has re-entered the same falling wedge pattern. And on a weekly time frame chart, we will once again take a look at this big ascending triangle and a breakout from this big falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the previous month trading signals report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And for example, if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for fourth, you just need to click on the link and it will take you to the trading views chart. And there is a play button available on every chart there. You just need to click that play button like I'm going to do here. And after clicking this play button, it will show you how the price then moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And in this case, you can see that this was a quite massive pump beyond the sell targets that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this pattern. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Litecoin. And on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several days, Litecoin is moving inside this falling wedge pattern. A few days ago, we had a fake out, and I was telling you that this resistance, a short-term resistance of $95 can be very important, and we need to break it out in order to continue its move to the upside because this was the point of rejection after breaking out this falling wedge pattern. You can see on the first candlestick, the price line was rejected by this resistance of $95. And if we um, watch the previous history, then you can see that during the recent days, it has been breaking as a resistance here, and resistance here as well. And here it was breaking as a support, here as a resistance, and again, it worked as a very strong resistance. But you can see that exactly at the support of this falling wedge pattern, the price line has dropped, and now it is geared up. And again, you can see it has reached the resistance of this falling wedge pattern and trying to break it out. Once the price trend will be able to break out this resistance, then it can make another attempt to break out this short-term resistance of $95. By the way, we have the long-term resistance at $100. That is also the resistance of this very big descending triangle as well. And you can see that previously this $100 level has been working as a very strong and long-term support here. And if we move more back, then here, back in the month of January 2018, it was working as a very nice support. Therefore, again, it can work as a very, very strong resistance for the price line. And you can see at the same time, we also have the resistance of this big ascending triangle. And this triangle is formed after breaking out a very big and huge falling wedge pattern. And recently, you can see it was trying to break out here. We had a closing above this resistance of the triangle, but it has re-entered the same triangle. And now we are very close to as the support of this ascending triangle. Now, once the price end will be able to break out this ascending triangle, first let me to show you the target for this wedge. Once the price end will be again able to break out this wedge pattern, then the target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $115. And now let's take a look at the target for this triangle because if the price line reaches at $115, then it can also break out the resistance of this triangle as well. And the target will be here. That will be approximately at $250 to $260. And the final target can be here for this breakout from this big falling wedge pattern. That is approximately at $400 or somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.